Hi, this is Rhett Miller, Sales Manager here at Miller's RV, and today we're continuing our segments on frequently asked questions. And today's question is what is the standard RV warranty? And we're going to touch on both motorhomes and travel trailers with a side question of is a RV warranty bumper to bumper? And before I get started and dive into this question about RV warranties, we want you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on our YouTube page so that you will see all our outcoming videos. If you do have a suggestion for a video, or if you've got questions or comments, please don't hesitate. That's what we're here for. We want to answer your questions and engage with you. Now, with no further delay, let's go ahead and answer the question of the day, which is RV warranties. What is standard, what's not, and what's available out there? RVs, obviously, you've got a towable RV or you've got a motorhome RV. A towable RV for most manufacturers is going to be a 12-month warranty, and it's going to cover all of your appliances and workmanship inside the coach. Stuff that's not going to be covered is what we call general maintenance items like tires, batteries, or fabrics. When you get into motorhomes, motorhomes will actually have two different warranties on it. The chassis, either being a Ford, a Chevy, or a Mercedes, will have a warranty through that manufacturer for the chassis items, which will be performed at a dealership. Not the RV dealership, at the chassis dealership. So there's always a little bit of confusion there. Then you will have a standard 12-month warranty from the manufacturer, Winnebago, Tiffin, whoever it is, on workmanship and appliances. Now, most of your appliances in the last couple of years have come out with a second-year warranty that is covered through the manufacturer of the appliance. So make sure you read your owner's manual. As boring as it is, you need to know your warranty when you do buy a new RV. Now, bumper to bumper is a term that we hear a lot and we don't like to hear. There is no such thing as a bumper to bumper warranty. Not everything is covered by original manufacturer warranty, whether it be chassis or through the manufacturer. And also, if you do an extended service contract, it is not a bumper to bumper. Most of your service contract extensions now are what they call exclusionary. They will give you a list of what's not covered, and if it's not on that list, it's covered. And it will exclude general maintenance items and fabrics also. So make sure you read your paperwork, make sure you ask the right questions at your dealership, and if you do have extended service contract coverage, make sure you mention that to the service center before they start performing the work on your coach. And again, I want to thank y'all for joining us here today. Please engage us with some questions, suggestions on videos. If y'all throw it out there, we'll make it for you. And remember, always enjoy the journey.
Hey, thank you so much for watching our video. We hope that you found it both informative and entertaining. If you would, like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you can see everything new that's coming out as well. If you have any questions or comments, please list them below. Also tell us anything else you would like us to do a video on. Again, this is Jeff at Miller's RV. Enjoy the journey and click on one of the links to watch another video by us.